EDaily Conversation.
I am bored with my hair.
Do you want a new style?
My split ends are very bad.
Haha, it is time for a haircut.
Should I cut it very short?
Short hair would look cool.
I'm a little bit nervous, Mike.
Do not worry. You are beautiful.
Let us find a good salon.
There is a famous one nearby.
I will call for a seat.
They are open until 8 tonight.
I am excited for change.
Let us walk there together now.
Is my hair very messy?
Just a little bit, Anna.
I am ready for a new look.
Your confidence is growing fast.
Wow, this salon is very fancy.
It smells like nice shampoo.
Hello. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, my name is Anna.
Please sit in this chair.
Yoke, the chair moves up and down.
It is a professional chair.
Would you like some cold water?
Wow, yes, please. I am thirsty.
I will wait over here.
Let us look at some photos.
I like this wavy style.
That style is very popular now.
Will it take a long time?
It will take about 1 hour.
I am ready to start.
I will read this magazine here.
Let us go to the sink.
Is the water temperature okay? It is warm and perfect.
I will use a special shampoo.
Wow, the bubbles feel very soft.
Does your scalp feel good?
That massage is amazing.
Anna looks very relaxed now.
I will rinse your hair now. The water feels so fresh.
Now I will use the conditioner.
It smells like sweet flowers.
Wow, I can smell it from here.
Your hair is very clean now.
Can I have a towel? Oh,
Here is a dry, fluffy towel.
my head feels very light.
You look like a movie star.
Let us go back to chair.
How much should I cut?
Please cut 2 inches off.
I will keep the layers.
The scissors are very sharp.
I am being very careful.
Wow, it looks different already.
I like the shorter length.
I will trim the front part.
Not too short, please.
Do not worry. It looks great.
Oh, your face looks very bright.
Wow, I feel like a new person.
I am almost finished with cutting.
It looks very healthy now.
Look at all the hair.
I will sweep the floor soon.
I love this new shape.
Now let us dry your hair. Wow, your hair is very thick.
Yes, it takes a long time.
I will use the brush.
The air is very warm.
Your hair is so shiny.
I am adding some hair oil.
It shines like a mirror.
Wow, you look very elegant, Anna.
I am very impressed now.
I feel so much better.
Do you like the back view?
Let me use the mirror.
It is perfect from behind.
Thank you so much, stylist.
You are very welcome, my dear.
How much is the total?
It is $40 for today.
I will pay for you, Anna.
I feel so light now.
Ah, everyone is looking at you.
Do I look that good?
You look very stylish indeed.
Should we take a selfie?
Well, let us take one here.
I look so different now.
Oh, change is a good thing.
I learned many salon words today.
Wow, you spoke English very well, Anna.
Practicing every day really helps.
Ah, you are an amazing English student.
Wow, I want to show Mom.
She will be very surprised tonight.
What should we do next?
Let us go get some coffee.
Sounds like a perfect plan.
I am happy you are happy.